Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. So today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to add celebrity on Snapchat application. Now first of all, make sure that you're well connected with the internet service and make sure that you've updated your Snapchat application to the latest version. Now adding celebrity on your Snapchat is very simple and easy process. Now the main problem is that not every celebrity is on Snapchat application. So what you have to do is, in order to find them on Snapchat, just simply head towards your web browser. Now on the search bar, what you have to do is just simply enter the name of a celebrity that you want to add on Snapchat, and just next to his or her name, what you have to do is just simply add Snapchat. Now as soon as I enter the name of a celebrity, right on top there you can see the result has been appeared. Now all you have to do is just simply tap on the name or just simply tap on the link. Now here, as you can see that as soon as I tap on the link or the username on the other page, I did not even have to open my Snapchat application and I've directly landed into her feed page or Snapchat page. Now in order to follow them or in order to add them on Snapchat, what you have to do is just simply tap on subscribe button. And here you can see that this certain celebrity has been subscribed, which means that this celebrity has been added on my Snapchat application. And now do the same process with the rest of the other celebrity on Snapchat. Now as I've already mentioned before that not all celebrities are on Snapchat. There might be some certain problem, or you might face some certain problem, or you might not be able to find a certain celebrity on Snapchat, and that is how you can add celebrity on Snapchat application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.